Canada provides a variety of government benefits for international students and permanent residents. These benefits and services can range from healthcare to employment insurance, and it's important to know how to access them when needed. Let's talk about some of the common government benefits and services that the new immigrants may need to access. Employment insurance, EI, is a federal government program that provides temporary financial assistance to individuals who have lost their jobs through no fault of their own, and who are actively seeking new employment. This program is available to both Canadian citizens and permanent residents, as well as certain categories of temporary residents. To be eligible for employment insurance benefits, individuals must have worked a certain number of hours in insurable employment during the qualifying period. The qualifying period is typically the 52 weeks prior to the start of the claim, or the period since the start of the last EI claim, whichever is shorter. EI benefits are paid out on a weekly basis, and the amount of the benefit is based on the individual's previous earnings and other factors. The Canada Emergency Response Benefit, CERB, was a temporary government benefit program that provided financial support to Canadians who were affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. The CERB program has now ended and is no longer accepting new applications. However, there are other government programs and benefits available to Canadians who continue to be impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. One such program is the Canada Recovery Benefit, CRB, which provides financial support to workers who are self-employed or are not eligible for EI benefits. The CRB provides a taxable payment of $300 per week for up to 54 weeks to eligible applicants. To apply for these benefits, individuals can do so through the CRA's My Account or by calling the CRA's automated phone service. It is important to ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for these benefits before applying, as improper applications may result in penalties or repayment obligations. The Canada Child Benefit is a tax-free monthly payment that helps families with the cost of raising children under the age of 18. Other tax credits may be available for things like tuition and education expenses, medical expenses, or charitable donations. The Canada Child Benefit, CCB, provides tax-free monthly payments to eligible families with children under the age of 18. The healthcare system in Canada is administered by each province and territory, and coverage can vary depending on the location. International students who are studying in Canada for 6 months or longer may be eligible for provincial or territorial healthcare coverage, provided that they meet certain criteria. Permanent residents of Canada are eligible for healthcare coverage as soon as they arrive in the country, and must apply for a health card from their province or territory of residence. The Disability Tax Credit, DTC, is a non-refundable tax credit that provides financial support to Canadians with disabilities or their caregivers. To be eligible for the DTC, individuals must have a severe and prolonged impairment in physical or mental functions that is expected to last at least 12 months or more. The impairment must also significantly restrict the individual's ability to perform one or more basic activities of daily living, such as walking, eating, or dressing. Canada Student Loans is a government program designed to assist eligible students in financing their post-secondary education. Under the Canada Student Loans program, eligible students can receive financial assistance in the form of loans and grants to help cover the cost of tuition, textbooks, and living expenses. The amount of funding available is based on a number of factors, including the student's financial need, the cost of attending their chosen school, and their program of study. The tuition tax credit is a government benefit in Canada that is available to new international students who are studying in Canada. Under this program, eligible students can claim a tax credit for tuition and education-related expenses that they have incurred while studying in Canada. The tuition tax credit allows eligible students to reduce their taxable income by the amount of their tuition and education-related expenses, up to a maximum of $5,000 per year. This means that they will pay less in income tax and may be eligible for a tax refund. To claim the tuition tax credit, international students must obtain an official tax receipt from their educational institution and file their tax return with the Canada Revenue Agency, CRA. The CRA will calculate the amount of the tax credit based on the information provided on the tax return. To read more about the government benefits, check out CanadaNeo.com. Link is in the description.